Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Between the current COVID-19 outbreak, typical spring allergies and colds, and an increase in stress and anxiety, we're all looking for a way to keep healthy this spring. Beyond eating right, staying active, and washing your hands, here are a few extra ways to protect your body and mind this season. In today's video, we will be showing you 10 best products to keep you healthy. Without further ado, let's begin. Larq Bottle Pure Vis. Using innovative non-toxic mercury-free UVC LED technology to sanitize water and clean the inner surfaces of the bottle by neutralizing odor-causing bacteria and viruses. Works at the touch of a button and self-cleans by intelligently activating every 2 hours to keep your bottle fresh and stink-free. Or keep things toasty. Double-walled vacuum-insulated and stainless steel bottle keeps your water cold for 24 hours and hot for 12. Bottle cap includes safety deactivation measures to prevent accidental exposure to UVC light once cap is removed. Enjoy fresh water without replacement filters and with chemical-free purification. Up to 1 month on a full charge with a waterproof IPX7 rate micro USB for your peace of mind. Mio Liquid Yoga Restorative Bath Soak. Mio's Liquid Yoga Relaxing Bath Soak has been transformed with a new 100% natural fragrance and powerful ingredients for the ultimate well-being experience. The Liquid Yoga Mineral Bath Soak gives you tranquility on tap. A moisturizing blend of uplifting essential oils, including calming cannabis seed oil, herbs, and mineral salts combined with fragrance notes from peppermint, lavender, and eucalyptus, ease the body and mind, leaving you feeling refreshed and de-stressed. Soak away the day and douse your bathwater with this powerful formula for a dose of me time, whilst leaving the skin feeling moisturized. 8 Greens Effervescent Super Greens Dietary Supplement. The easiest way to get your greens on the go. 8 Greens is an effervescent table drink packed full with 8 essential real greens straight from the farm: spinach, wheatgrass, kale, blue-green algae, spirulina, chlorella, barley grass, and aloe vera. It is easy to take, simple to drop into your water or other drink, dissolve, and enjoy. The best part is that 8 Greens contains no sugar and only has 10 calories, plus it tastes great, it really does. Used by celebrities, athletes, supermodels, CEOs, moms, dads, and kids. It has even been featured in People, Good Morning America, Forbes, Vogue, and more. Founded by Dawn Russell, 8 Greens is the result of a personal dramatic journey with stage 3 cancer. Changing her nutrition changed her health, and 8 Greens was her way to help people prioritize their nutrition, no matter how hectic their lives become. 75% of Americans eat only 1 or 2 servings of fruit or vegetables a day. 50% under the age of 20 eat less than 1. We can all do better. With 8 Greens, Dawn is simply trying to get this number higher by educating people about the most important greens and helping add these greens to their diet in an easy, quick, tasty way. 8 Greens is not a replacement to a healthy diet, but rather a booster, a green helper. Slip Pure Silk Sleep Mask. A Pure Silk Sleep Mask developed and refined over 10 years to provide the ultimate combination of shine, thickness, and durability. This mask is crafted from the highest grade 6A long fiber mulberry silk with a thickness of 22 mom and is made with the strictest quality guidelines, including the use of non-toxic dyes. Since it's made from non-absorbent silk inside and out, it keeps your skincare products on your face where they belong. Dermatologists, hairstylists, and beauty experts recommend sleeping on silk, and Slip for Beauty Sleep specializes in pure silk pillowcases and sleep masks made of slip silk, a specially commissioned long fiber mulberry silk that results in the ultimate combination of shine, thickness, softness, and durability. The brand is proudly anti-aging, anti-sleep creases, and anti-bedhead. Drip Drop ORS. Developed by a doctor on a mission trip to save lives, Drip Drop ORS provides dehydration relief fast. Dehydration is a concern for 75% of Americans daily and is a prevalent medical condition that deserves an efficient and convenient go-to solution. Proven worldwide in the most challenging circumstances, Drip Drop has won early adoption by a broad spectrum of users, including top hospitals and physicians, elite athletes, U.S. Special Forces, humanitarian workers, pharmacists, and patients with chronic illness. Drip Drop is a great-tasting solution available in 3 flavors that, when mixed with water, deliver 3 times the electrolytes of sports drinks and half the sugar of sports drinks. The patented solution delivers better fluid retention because it is based in oral rehydration therapy, ORT. If you are enjoying the video, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos just like this. Beekeeper's Natural Propolis Spray. Beekeeper's Natural fan favorite Bee Immune Propolis Throat Spray is a natural, antioxidant-rich daily dose of immune support. Made with bee propolis to naturally fight germs and soothe scratchy throats, this is your bodyguard in a bottle. While other immune supporters can come packed with chemicals, Bee Immune is free from artificial ingredients and harmful chemicals. Go ahead and show your immune system some love. Phone Soap Smartphone Sanitizer. No liquid, heat, or chemicals are used in Phone Soap 3, so it's safe to sanitize anything that will fit inside. The UVC light will kill bacteria on the surface of anything the light reaches. Think remotes, glasses, keys, credit cards. The possibilities are endless. Phone Soap 3 is compatible with even the largest phone on the market. Whether you have the Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max, Google Pixel 4 XL, or Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Still unsure? Check the dimensions below. Additionally, each unit houses a USB port in the back so you can charge your phone simultaneously. Phone Soap 3 comes in a variety of colors. You can choose from basics like white and black to eye-catching colors like gold, aqua, orchid, and more to best fit your style and decor. Find your perfect phone soap today without compromising the aesthetics of your home or office. Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. A sulfate-free shower gel to hydrate and cleanse your body while calming the mind. Spritz all over pillow and bed sheets just as you are going to bed to help reduce sleep-associated anxiety and improve sleep quality. Enjoy a peaceful night's sleep with this Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Proven to help you fall asleep faster and feel more refreshed come morning. Used before bed for clean, lightly fragrant skin and a calm mind that is ready for a good night's sleep. Supergoop Antioxidant Infused Sunscreen Mist. At Supergoop, that means seeing the bright side in every moment, and it also means treating our skin with care 365 days a year. And since up to 90% of the signs of aging come from the sun, we pack our formulas with broad-spectrum protection and serious skincare benefits, so your skin can be its happiest and healthiest. A non-aerosol, water-resistant sunscreen body spray with SPF 50 that leaves skin radiantly glowing. This lightweight, refreshing mist is literally the easiest way to wear sunscreen. Just point, spray, and play. You can even apply it onto wet skin for total UV protection. The bottle also utilizes our unique bag-on-value technology that we've been using since 2013. Fancy Cool Mist Personal Mini Humidifier. Fancy Personal Humidifier quietly moistens the air in small spaces, providing the ideal moisture balance to help you breathe better. Simple in design but powerful in function and performance, this portable unit utilizes individual water bottles to improve the air quality and moisture content in the immediate vicinity while combating the harsh effects of dry air. Ideal for your home, office, car, or travel, Pure Mist technology improves air quality and moisture content in the air while combating the harsh effects of dry air, providing you with the ideal moisture balance to help you breathe better and sleep more comfortably. So guys, let me know down in the comments section below, which one of them is best. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video!